They were 88 when the first wicket fell. That was 10.1. 101 when Prithvi. So both openers were gone at 101. That was in the 12th over. They've done the job. They've done it for you. If then from there you only get, 65 odd, you can't score at 7.5, 8 with all your wickets in the bag, right? And they've done that. But I got to tell you, I popped into the Hindi studio because they're covering, the Bangalore game, and that finished far earlier. I guess this is Surya and Ishant's fault because so many balls were lost and there were so many fourth umpire trips to the middle that this game fell like 5 overs behind the other one. So I popped in there, and before that last ball with 6 to win of 1 ball, obviously everyone thought Delhi's won the game. And Viru commented on that. Virendra Sehwag commented, and he said, how can Bangalore do this? How can you be just 3 down and fall short of the chase?
Exactly my point.
It's just 1 ball, Joy. It is just 1 ball between victory and defeat, and you can say it's the end of the tournament. It doesn't matter. But the psychological impact of losing it vis-a-vis winning it, the psychological positive impact on Bangalore is humongous with just 1 delivery, but it changes so many things.
You could make out by Virat's face the celebration towards the end. You should just see in his face when they finally won it, because he couldn't believe it, and they got out of jail because they should never have allowed that game to go that far. For whatever it's worth, if you have 3 wickets down, you have to mount a larger effort in over 17, 18, 19. It shouldn't be all on the 20th over. They went with the 20th over, the 50 over not to get. It should never have been so much. So somewhere, and the other thing that happened, which was interesting, is that who do you think? Okay, he's got the runs. Kesh Bharat has got the runs. He's hit the 6. But who is the senior international batsman? The senior international batsman was Maxwell, and Maxwell allowed Bharat to take the risks. Maxwell was not taking the risks. He was allowing Bharat to take it, and it worked for them today. But
I suppose you can take it one step further. I mean, the game before that, they needed 12 off 3 deliveries. AB hits a 6. They need 6 off 2. You'd also bank them to get over the line on that occasion. So, yeah, you're right. They would have been licking their wounds if they'd lost 2 close encounters heading into their first eliminator. So this was a massive hit in the context of their season.
Yeah, massive hit. And Delhi is going to be, well, here's the thing. Shreyas Iyer is such a safe fielder, right? Gets AB de Villiers out. Maxwell, what was Maxwell? I think he was on 4 or 5 or something. He hadn't even started his innings when he drops that catch. And you would back Shreyas Iyer to take that catch 11 times out of 10, right? Drop it today, and, well, Maxwell, the kind of form he's in, you give him another life, and, well, you live to rue the day. As will Delhi. See, they won't be that worried because they're still on top of the points table. But these little things do tend to matter. They come. It's belief, right, Joy? We keep talking about Mumbai being a team that knows how to win finals, that knows how to win big games. Is it these small things that really add to your belief or can add to your doubt when it comes to the crunch?
Exactly. It's belief, doubt, and it's momentum as well. Momentum is a huge thing with teams, When the dressing room's going, you're winning, 1-2, 1-2, you keep winning. There's something out there in the dressing room. The moment you lose it, that it's halted. So you've got to almost reset and get the mood back and get everything back. It's not that easy. And I think today, it's excellent for Bangalore because Bangalore really needed something, because if they'd lost 2 like that, exactly as Sean was saying, then they go to Sharjah and play Kolkata on a pitch that is far more suited to Kolkata than to them. I think they would have been in a lot more trouble. Now they have a little bit more confidence saying, you know what, we beat possibly the best team in the tournament. We beat the best team in the tournament to come here, and we're going to lord over it. If we can beat Delhi, we can beat anybody. And that's how they should be.
Yeah.